Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video, guys. So I'm here with the Honor X7, and in this video I'll be showing you two ways to turn on the NFC feature and also how to turn it off as well. Okay, so the first way, the easiest way, is to simply pull down the notifications, select settings, and then scroll down to where it says more connections. And here at the top, you will see NFC. So by default, it's off. So just select it. And here you get a little tutorial of how it works. So tap the back of your phone against an NFC reader or tag to make a payment, send files. So just go ahead and toggle that switch on. And now it's on. You're ready to use NFC. Okay, so the second way to do it, you can actually add a shortcut to the notification panel. So pull down the notification panel twice. Select this little pen or pencil and look for the NFC and just drag it anywhere into the space there and select done. Okay, so now when you pull down the notification panel twice, you will see the NFC shortcut here. Just simply touch it and it's now enabled. Pull it down again, touch it again to turn it off. So yeah, this was just my video showing you two ways to turn on the NFC feature on the Honor X7. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next video, guys. Deuces.